In this video, I am going to answer one of the most commonly asked Selenium Java interview question, which is how to find the factorial of a number using recursion. So let's do it. So let's say we're going to take an integer number. Let's say int n equals to 7, and we will have to store results. So it will be stored in int as well. Int result equals, let's call the function name equal to factorial. It will take the input, and now we're going to have to create methods. So for the first case, if n equals 0 or 1, then the result of the factorial is 1. So let's do it. N equals 1 or n equals 0, then it will return 1. Otherwise, result equals n into factorial n minus 1. Return result. So if the value of input value is 1 or 0, then it will return 1. And for other method, say let's say if n equal to 7, then the result will be 7 into factorial 7 minus 1. So it will again recursively call with factorial 6, and it will go all the way up to 1. Then the base case will be reached, then it will return 1, and after that it will start multiplying. It is a call stack, so it will work like last in first out. So the result of 1 will be 1, and for factorial 2 it will be 2 multiplied by 1. Then it will pass on to the next one, factorial 3. So the factorial 3 will be 3 into result of factorial 2, which is 6, and so on at the end. Okay, let's see if it works or not. We're gonna have to print the result. Let's run it. So the result of factorial 7 is 5040. It is working. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Java related videos. I will mostly cover Selenium Java interview question. So make sure to subscribe if you want to hear that. Thanks for watching.